A failed payment on Possible Finance usually happens when your linked bank account has insufficient funds, a blocked transaction, or a syncing issue between your bank and the app. By the end, you'll know exactly why payments fail, how to fix rejected transactions, and how to stop the same issue from happening again. Start with the most common cause. Insufficient funds at the time of withdrawal is the #1 reason payments fail. Possible Finance automatically pulls payments from your linked bank account on the scheduled date. If your balance is lower than the required payment amount, the transaction can fail instantly. The fix is simple. Make sure your balance covers the full payment before the scheduled withdrawal time, not after. Now look at bank blocking issues. Some banks block automatic withdrawals from financial apps as a security measure. When this happens, the payment doesn't go through even if you have enough money in your account. To fix it, you need to contact your bank and allow recurring or third-party debit transactions for the app. Now talk about connection errors. If your bank connection inside Possible Finance is outdated or disconnected, payments can fail without warning. This usually happens when you change your bank password or your bank updates its security system. The fix is to remove your bank account inside the app and reconnect it with fresh login details. Now check timing issues. If your deposit hits your account late in the day, the payment may already have been attempted earlier. That can trigger a failed payment even if money arrives shortly after. The solution is to keep a buffer in your account before the scheduled payment date so timing doesn't matter. Now look at overdraft protection settings. Some banks treat app withdrawals differently when overdraft protection is turned on or off. This can cause the payment to be rejected depending on how your bank handles pending balances. Now here's a simple reset process that fixes most failed payments. First, update your bank balance and ensure funds are available. Second, reconnect your bank account inside the app. Third, check with your bank that no transaction blocks are active. Fourth, retrieve the payment, or wait for the next scheduled attempt. This clears most syncing and authorization issues in one cycle. Here's the key breakdown. Most Possible Finance payment failures come from low balances, bank restrictions, or broken account connections. In most cases, it's not the app itself failing, but the bank refusing or delaying the transaction. Quick recap. Keep enough funds in your account, reconnect your bank if needed, and make sure your bank allows automatic withdrawals. Next step is simple. Check your transaction history in your bank app first, because it usually shows the exact reason the payment failed. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for cash advance and loan apps without confusion.